पंचदूत पदवास कीते काल कंठ को मारया तुर कर्म पड़ा पद जिन का से नाम के लागे कहे नानक तह सुख हुआ तीर्थ कर अनहद वाजे.
Hi everybody! Hi everybody, just a quick bonus clip. So I went inside this temple. If you remember the last time, if you watched my previous vlog, my first ever vlog in Delhi yata, when I came to Chandni, and remember I told you that there was like a temple, and if you remember the guy who talked to me that I can go inside, so I went inside, but I did not bother to film. I asked the guy, I think the security, he told me that it's okay, but when I was inside, no one was literally like using their phone, so of course I chose to be very respectful. But just to let you know what you can see inside, wait, I'll show you ha. So I was there, I was inside, and it's really beautiful, and it was amazing. Like there's like a big chandelier, and ano pa ba? It's like golden coated.
Sikh temple.
Yeah, Sikh temple. So ayun, coated siya ng mga gold something, royal blue, crystal white, with tiles and everything. So ayun, wait ha. So ayun, that's gonna be it. The Philippines. Yeah, yeah, I know. It's okay, thank you. Ayun na yun, that's the quick bonus clip. And I'm not rude ha, but that guy would just like try to bring you somewhere and will ask a lot of money, always like that. So you just have to ignore them. So I'm not being rude, by the way. So ayan, it's beautiful inside. So if you come to Delhi, make sure not to miss even just like 3 to 5 minutes visit, okay? Just check the place out and again, be very respectful, okay? Bye-bye, that's the bonus clip. Hoy, yung Uber ko nawawala. My Uber is amazing. Hoy, you know, it's just 4, but it's already dark. My God, yung makeup ko pa naman pang sunset. Oh my God, I have to speak English nga pala, I forgot. So it's 4:30 in the afternoon here in New Delhi, India, but there's no sunset. And this makeup is for sunset. I'm so disappointed. Na-disappoint. Wait lang. Asan ba siya? No, not Thailand. Diba? Ako yung naghanap sa Uber, hindi siya yung naghanap sa akin. 4652. Wala talaga siya. Hala. Laro, asan na yung driver ko? Ay, alam mo, bahala na siya. Ayoko maghanap. Ang layo ko na. Oh, everybody, for today's video, come with me as we go visit Jama Masjid. But it's raining at the moment, so I hope the rain will stop. If it's gonna rain, I think I'm just gonna like find a place where I can eat first while waiting for the rain to stop. And look at the clip, it's clipping. My mom likes that. If I wear clip, she likes it. Mag-message siya, I like your clip. So papabili na naman, nakakabuhisit. Charis. Hi, mom. Supported sa mga sa mga clip ko. She likes that. Ano yun, mangunguha rin ng clip yan. Okay, so again, for today's video, we are going to Jama Masjid, and then after that, we'll find a place to eat. I'm really hungry, but I don't want to eat for now. I want to go to Masjid first before I go eat something. Kakaloka yung Uber ko, 4 times nag-cancel. I hope the rain will not continue. Yes. Because my face is not waterproof. Paano daw? Ay hindi, parang waterproof yung ko. Yung concealer ko, pati itong mascara ko. Dapat mag-ano lang ako eh. I was supposed to just ride bike. Ganito itsura ko, mag-bike ako. Titingin na naman yung tao. Okay. Yun, okay, I'll see you in the masjid, Jama Masjid. It's just like 5 to 10 minutes away from here, so. Oh, see the windshield. It's raining. So I think if the rain will not stop, I think I'll just... Wait, I didn't check until what time is the masjid. Wait. Oh, everybody, we have arrived here in Jama Masjid, so let's see. Okay, we'll go inside. Let's find our way. Wait. Paano pupunta? Ano to? Ba't ang daming tao? Hello. Biglang dumami yung tao. Anong nangyari? Wait lang. Jama Masjid. Talaga ba? Okay, I think this is the way going to Jama Masjid. So let's go. If I'm wearing ganito, I'm getting less attention. Ah, there. Which I like. Ay, ang taray ni Kuya Naruto. Did you see that? Yung tambucho niya yung bibig niya. Aliw si Kuya. Ah, it looks beautiful. Let's go. Let's keep going. It's raining kasi. My God, I was expecting a sunset. Kainis naman tong araw na to. Lumalakas yung ulan. Ala. Lumalakas yung ulan. Wait lang ha. I have to keep I have to cover my camera and stop filming. I'll see you there. Or maybe not. Let's see. The rain has stopped a little. I can continue filming. Let's go. Yes, we are doing the Jama Masjid. Whatever happens, whatever it takes. Ito na tayo. So tara na. This is where I'm walking right now. Laki pala niya. It looks small sa picture. Now I understand why there's entrance fee. Okay, let's keep going. Let me show you a bit more of the place, and this is also what's happening at my back right now. Okay, let's keep going. I'm glad that the rain stopped. So we can keep going. Oops. See that? Or if someone touches you here, if someone try to touch you, stop them. Really, like talk to them. Like, what's wrong with you? I'm doing that. Diba? Nagme-melody ako. Let's keep walking. My God. My camera cannot justify like how beautiful it is from here. Actually, it's like more red because I'm checking the screen right now. Now, everybody, I'm just using my phone right now because it's not allowed to use again my camera DJI Osmo Pocket 3 inside. But this is how it looks like. And you can actually see the inside from here. In case that you want to go inside, I think there's going to be an entrance for foreigners, which I didn't check, and you can also check that online. But we're not doing that, so ayun. I just really want to see it in person, so let's go. With our next stop, there's a lot of people eating here. It looks interesting and it looks masarap. I hope they have Muton Biryani because I have been looking for Muton Biryani na. I have been eating chicken. Muton siya. Muton?
Biryani.
Muton Biryani?
Beef biryani. Chicken biryani.
What's this?
Beef.
Okay, beef. Okay. Wait lang. Nakapalda pala ako. Tatawid ko sana yung sarili ko sa upuan. How much?
70 rupees one plate.
70 rupees one plate? Okay. O, ayan, that's it. Okay, it's 70 rupees per plate. Oh, we like that. Hala, I'm excited. Magkain tayo. Muton. Opak. Muton, let's eat. Ang konti naman ng muton, isang piraso lang. Ba yan? Nalungkot? Ano ba yan? Maanghang siya. Shucks. Ay, sorry, it's not muton, it's beef. Hello? Wanna say hello? Sumama na kayo. Total nag-hi kayo, sumama na kayo. Let's keep eating. Oh, it's been a while since I ate beef. It's so hard to find beef here in India. But chicken, it's very easy. But mutton, also hard. Okay. Akala ko isang piraso lang. So it's 3 pieces. Not bad. Hello. I hope you don't mind the camera is there. I hope it's okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. It's good. Wait lang, itabi natin kasi may babaeng Muslim. Baka Muslim lang naman. Huwag tayo mag-assume. I put my camera here because maybe, yeah, it's Muslim. Are you Muslim? Muslim? Yeah, that's why. Yeah. So, i-turn natin sa right yung camera kasi Muslim to, I know. I can feel. Food is good. Good. Sila na lang tsikahin mo, huwag na yung babae. Kakagulo sila, girl. Hi, kung curious kayo, where did I had my food? Where did I have it? Oh, see? That's the Jama Masjid, and nearby, there's a lot of, food to eat. Okay, ano na tayo? Second agenda for today's video. Mag-explore na tayo. Okay, let's keep walking. For some reason, I don't like the beef biryani there. Or maybe it's just been a while since I ate beef biryani. So maybe may taste buds is naninibago. Hala, alam ko to eh. Hoy, ano na kayang ganap natin? Let's keep walking. Let's explore na lang the place. Hala. Let's keep walking. So, if you're curious, paano daw yung curious? Nagkikrave ako sa McFlurry. Di ba yung mga cravings ko sa ganitong oras, nakakainis? Hindi nakaka-gorgeous yung mga hindi nakaka-gorgeous yung mga cravings ko at the moment. McFlurry sa gitna ng ng palengke. Let's keep walking pa, ha? Hey, you know what I'm looking for? Nipper. Ayoko nung iniihaw. I don't know. For some reason, naduduwal ako. This is the time of the month. Ay, charis. This is the time of the month where I'm having it. Kahit wala akong mens, sinutoyo ako monthly, no? Nakaset yan. Siyempre, all throughout the month, I'm trying to be positive. So, at least 1 to 3 days of the month, wala ako sa mood. I mean, not wala sa mood. Wala akong naduduwal ako sa lahat. Gusto ko lang parang mangga, bagoong. May mga ganun akong cravings. Hello!
How are you?
Diba? Gigigil talaga ako sa ganun. Hindi dikit pa talaga eh. Kung hindi ko pa na-chika, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button on para hindi naman sayang yung mga vlogging ko. Ano ba? Okay, let's talk about cravings again. Ano ba weird cravings ko? Apple, tsaka black coffee. Favorite ko yun. Ewan ko. If I don't know what to eat, I need apple and black coffee. Or black coffee with saging na saba. Always yan. Pag hindi ko yung nakain, may toyo na ako. I need that. So, to everyone who don't know me, If I told you na I don't know what to eat, just give me black coffee and saging na saba. Without sugar, ha? Or maybe there, I don't know, depende. Oh, explore, explore the night. Teka nga, tingnan ko kung anong lugar to para alam ko. Wait lang. Tinatamad kasi ako ilabas yung phone ko. The place is called, where I'm walking right now, just nearby to Jama Masjid, is Delhi Chor Bazaar or Sunday Market. They also call it Sunday Market or Chor Bazaar. C-H-O-R Bazaar. Hello. Hi. Kayo naman talaga. Naghahanap ako ng nipper. Let's keep walking, di ba? Hi. I'm okay, thank you. Shukriya. You want my YouTube channel? My YouTube channel? It's K Toretto. K Toretto. Yeah. Tumabi daw kayo, nagigigilan si kuya. Nagalit na siya. Ayoko niya, sweets yan, ang OA niyan sa sugar, grabe. You. So it's easier. Oh, let me do it. Kayo talaga. Jaldi. Kay Toretto. My God, the internet. But that's the name. It's just loading. Say hi to me. What's your name?
Robin.
Robin? Really? The truth? The true name? Show me the ID. Robin? Why Robin? Diba? Why Robin? Show me. This is mine. Yeah, that's me. Show me. Robin?
My ID.
Baka charot yan, patingin. Ay, Robin nga. Why Robin? Robin Rizal? Okay. Nice meeting you. Wait, why Robin? Who named you Robin?
Robin?
Yeah, why?
Not.
Okay, it's okay. Nice meeting you, Robin. Chinag ko talaga yung ID. Robin talaga yung name niya. Robin. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung mga ganap around. Let's see what else we can see around. Ay, wala na dito. Shukriya. Ano to? Parang ice cream to, Hala. Ang cute naman yan. Ano kaya? Baka sumakit siyan ko dyan. Wag na. I'm spending my last few days here. Baka dyan pa ako madali. I like the fruit sana, kaso exposed na yan sa alikabok, nakakaloka. Let's keep walking. Alam mo, mag-metro kaya ako. And go, shukriya. And go somewhere. Let's see what else I can do. That's the Red Fort. Wag na yan, puro fort na ako. Kotang-kota na ako sa Red Fort. Mag-explore na lang tayo. Yes. I think I already took you before to Chandni Market, but let's go back there. I wanna check something. So explore Old Delhi with me. Or Delhi. I'm not really sure if this is already Old Delhi, but it's showing, so maybe it's the Old Delhi. So let's keep walking. Explore Delhi with me. Diba? Always explore. I don't know. I already had enough with temples. I just really, this time is about just exploring it. Just like walk lang talaga. Walk around the place. Mga ganun na lang. We don't want something serious na. Yes. We just want like a chill, relax, walking vlog. Mga eating na lang, ganon, kain, like that na lang. Yeah. Stop na tayo sa mga temples and everything. Actually, from Jama Masjid, there's also a way going to the Chandni Market. But let's just keep walking straight na lang. Buti pa yung daan straight. Hello. that rabbit? Hello. Mga rabbit. Hi vlog daw. Hi vlog. Hello din. Excuse me. Okay, we're gonna turn left somewhere there. But for now, let's keep walking. Bumagsak yung clip ko. Kainis. May nakita akong pulis, ang gwapo, shucks. Bagets, salam. Yung bagets, mga 26, 28. Yung mga tricycle, piling ko mapapatay nila ako anytime soon. Yung hindi ka mamamatay sa sagasa, you're gonna die because maya ka nagugulat. Yung kapag binusi, nakakabusina talaga, girl. Yung mga motor dito, the motorcycles here, their horns is like horns for the bus, not for the motorcycle. Let's keep walking. Ano kaya to? Ano to yung Divisoria, but to the next level. It's giving Divisoria vibes, but like, to the next level talaga. They do it the hard way. Yung talagang labanan talaga ng products dahil. See all that. Anyways, let's keep walking. Shukriya. Oh my gosh. Ano ginagawa niyo sa mga pamangkin niyo, pinsan niyo pag umiiyak? Ako dahil ice cream talaga agad. Parang tapos ni usapan na, you want ice cream? Oh, okay, go.
Hello, madam.
Shukriya. Yung magsisimula pa lang umiyak talaga yung mga pinsan ko, oh, ice cream. Go. Tapos pag tinuloy, ibabalik ko talaga sa ina. Huwag natin pahabain yung usapan. Balik mo sa nanay. Agad. Let's keep walking. Tsura ko. Narinig niyo yung wow. Oh, alam niyo na. Maganda ako ibig sabihin.
Hello, madam.
Si Patan, pag nakita niya tong video na to, if Patan will see this video, mambubuisit na naman yun. Sabi niya, mukha kang auntie. Ulo ka. Hello, YouTube. Hello to. Oh my God, masikip yung daan. Okay. Nakikita akong parang pagkain. Di ba? Magnet ng pagkain.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Shukriya. Ano to? Alam mo, pumunta na lang tayo sa ano. Sorry. Sa talagang pupuntahan ko.
Hello, ma'am. Please.
Shukriya.
Hello.
Shukriya. Subway. Kulit nyo? Hala, malilobot na yata ako. Yata, hindi ako sure. Ano ba yan? Hala. Ito pala yung maganda nakaraan. If you watch my previous vlog, the Chandni Market, this is the one. Yung maganda yung mga light. Feeling ko I'm not sure. Feeling ko lang naman. So don't judge me. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry again. But I think this is the one. Yeah. Okay, let's keep walking. Oh my God, we're back to Chandni Market. I'm not gonna show you a lot na. Unless I do something interesting. So, ayun. I really wanted to explore Delhi na lang in my last few days. Gusto ko chill na. This is what I always do. If you know me and if you remember everything na I'm saying in my vlog, you know that in my last few days, every time I visit country, I usually just chill na lang talaga. Wala nang something nakakaloka. Relax na talaga. But the paligid is not relax. Ang ingay, no? Matanda na talaga ako. I'm really old na. Nai-stress na ako sa maingay. Naririnig nyo ba yun? Ang ingay-ingay? Dami nangyayari. There's a lot of things happening right now. Shukriya. Dami nangyayari. Hello. Wala, ang gwapo nun, oh. Hello. Hi, everybody. So, ayun. I think that's gonna be it. I hope na you were able to enjoy, that vlog about Jama Masjid and the Explore with Me in Delhi vlog, like that. Let me enjoy this, last few minutes. Parang ang sarap naman ng momo. Diba? Ang dali ko talaga nadidislaki pa yung seafood. Anyways, let's keep walking. O, ayun na yun. So, let me enjoy this, this moment for myself. Yeah.
Wow.
So, whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope na you enjoyed watching this vlog. Whoever you're with, sana masaya ka. I hope you're happy. Daw? I'm good. Excuse me, sorry. So, ayun na yun. Okay. So, ano chika ko? Nadistract ako sa kay kuya. Yun, if you're not happy today, remember that tomorrow is another day. So that's gonna be it again. This is Kay Toretto. I love you all. Thank you so much for the support. And please, don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe. Namilit. Bye-bye.